Hello, let me show you how intermediate part works. This part works as a connection to another part. There are 3 designs with no ribs, with 1 rib and with 3 ribs. Glue the piece to the bottom of every part as you see in the video. The connection without ribs is easier to assemble, but the connection is weaker. The connection with 1 rib is slightly more difficult to assemble, but the joint is not as weak. A connection with 3 ribs is worse for assembly, but the joint is very strong. All 3 parts are working well. It's up to you which design will be your favorite.